In today's free tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn on post view history on TikTok on iOS, Android, and computer completely for free. If you found value, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step is to open up TikTok and click on profile at the bottom right hand screen. And then once your profile is loaded, you want to click on the top right hand screen. There are these three options next to this footsteps icon right here. And you want to click on the fourth option, which says settings and privacy, which is below my QR code. And then over here, you want to click the second option, which says privacy. Basically, if you were to scroll down on your screen or on the TikTok app, you click on the third to last option above profile views and below favorite sounds, post views. And as you can see, it's currently turned off or it's disabled because it's color white or it's grayed out. So if you want to turn this on, you now see that it's color blue. Then if we were to go back on our page, basically you can turn on and turn off view history on TikTok. So if you want to if we click the search bar, we don't see any of our view history when we type in something. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.